Okay guys, so in creating a bootable USB drive, we'll be needing the Power ISO software which will help us. So we only have to right click on it, we run it as administrator, and then we wait until it finishes launching. Then we go through the actual process itself. So we can see that ours has finished launching. Now following this, you have to move your mouse pointer to tools. That is the option which we can find the create bootable tab, and then we follow the steps correctly, and then we are good to go. Now the steps takes up to 15 minutes to complete, so at some point in the video we're going to speed things up. Now the first option there which says image file, we're going to select that Windows disk or drive which contains our installation or Windows. So I have mine stored on my hard drive, so I'm going to just load it into the page. So that is that. Now following that, also we have to select the format in which we are going to write our pen drive in, and always it is by default, or it is at the default, which is the USB hard disk drive. So that is that. And then we also the automatic, that is the format in which we want to write our disk. Now before we also click on start, we must ensure that actually the USB in which we'll be making use of is the one that is selected, and afterwards we hit on the start. So we are good to go guys.